Well, even as the BJP leaders that you see being detained right now, this was the second time that they, in fact, tried heading to Mysuru from Bengaluru district to stage a protest there, but were stopped. Remember, the police, of course, is telling them that the leaders, the MLAs, would be allowed to proceed in their vehicles. However, since the Karyakartas are not being permitted to, many of the leaders over here were, in fact, staging a protest at the toll gate. They've blocked the toll gate with all their vehicles as well here, demanding that they be allowed to continue to go ahead and protest. In Mysuru district of Karnataka, where the BJP is currently protesting against the Congress government in the state over the alleged Muda scam here, alleging that the Chief Minister and his wife are directly involved in the allotment of plots illegally. Why, of course, this is quite important here is because of the fact kind of political ramifications this case has been having. Remember, of course, we've been seeing for quite some time now the protests have been breaking out, while, of course, several leaders were, in fact, held in Bengaluru, now in Mysuru as well. Try and get the word here from the currently being witnessed over here. We'll quickly try and get in a word here from him. Well, of course, even as there's a lot of jostling that's happening over here at this point, we're going to try from the Mysore Maharaja. Remember, of course, in Mysore, we've witnessed heavy drama over here as the BJP claims that the government is, in fact, stalling them, not allowing them to protest. With video journalist Dilip, Mysuru, this is Neha Hebale for Mirror Now and Times Now.
So you saw what's been happening there on Ground Zero. We'll also get in our colleague Deepak, who's also on Ground Zero. He's been tracking this story also. Deepak, ever since this morning, you've seen a belligerent BJP there again, obviously not wanting to cede any space to the government, no matter what. Siddaramaiah says that these allegations are baseless. But the point is that he does not deny that this happened, that this was not mentioned in his affidavit. What really can be the justification for doing that?
As far as this affidavit, he has yesterday responded, going on to say that there seems to be a conspiracy against him. There seems to be, people who are jealous of the fact that he's a two-time chief minister from the OBC community, to which the BJP is saying that he's playing his caste card. As far as this election affidavit is concerned, he says if the election commission issues him a notice, he's going to respond. But also it's interesting to note that the same property, of course, has been mentioned in his affidavit in 2018. It was not mentioned in 2013. So probably that's an explanation that he'll have to give as to why during that time it was not mentioned, and then 2018 he does mention the fact that his wife has this particular piece of property. But the entire allegation that the BJP is levelling, of course, is pertaining to the entire scam in the Mysuru Urban Development Authority, in the way that land was allocated to several people, not just the chief minister's wife but many others. The argument from the Congress continues to be that there was a piece of land that the wife of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah owned, and this was taken by the Mysuru Urban Development Authority to develop layouts there, and because of that, as a compensation during the BJP regime, they have allocated this land. So the Chief Minister has said, what does it have to do anything to do with the Congress when the allocation of land has happened during the BJP regime?
All right, so that is his defense. Deepak, just allow me a moment. I'll also draw Neha into this conversation, and she, remember, has been reporting relentlessly also for us. She is close to the Mysuru highway. Neha, where about you at this point in time? Are you with, the team of the BJP? Now, are they being allowed to move till Mysuru? Because earlier we had seen those dramatic images of the police trying to ensure that they do not even step out of their homes. Neha, can you hear us?
Well, of course, we're seeing here that there's high drama in Mysuru as you have BJP leaders being detained over here by the police. Well, that, of course, was the leader of opposition and senior BJP leader Ashwath Narayan there being taken away by the Mysuru police. Remember, of course, there's been high drama around this case right from the start itself. From 7 this morning, we saw police that were stationed outside the house of BJP leaders. Later, we saw that both BJP leaders, including the party president, were in fact, detained in Bengaluru at 2 places, and now in Mysuru as well, even as they've managed to, of course, come down right now to Mysuru for this protest at the Maharaja ground. Amidst heavy police deployment over here behind us, they did manage to protest, but of course, they were detained here.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.